Hello people, welcome to another tutorial. In today's lesson, we want to learn how to position for Scroll Airdrop. Scroll is an Ethereum layer 2 network. Scroll mainnet is already live, but Scroll is here to launch our native token. So we're going to be using quite a number of dApps in today's tutorial. So do ensure to check out their links in the description. Alright, so let's dive into the lesson. Let's open Metamask. Alright guys, so we are in Metamask, and actually what we'll be using basically in Metamask is the wallet browser. So if you check, you would see the networks that are available at the moment in my Metamask, and as you can see, Scroll Network is not one of them. So what we want to do right now is we want to add Scroll Network to Metamask, right? We're gonna head over to the wallet browser, to Metamask browser. So let's do that by coming over here. From Chainlist, we want to add Scroll to our Metamask, right? So I already have the URL for Chainlist copied. I'm just gonna paste it. Alright guys, so we are in Chainlist. We're just gonna connect our wallet. Connect. We're gonna search the network that we want to add. Scroll. Okay. Alright, so add to Metamask. Approve. Alright guys, so we have Scroll now in our Metamask. So the first thing you want to do is if you have capital, you want to go over to Scroll Mainnet, and then we want to use their official bridge, like their native bridge. So let's head over to Scroll. So we are in Scroll Mainnet. So want to come over here. Bridge. These, among other engagements, right, is like very important because this bridge is the official bridge. So you just want to perform at least a transaction. It's not something you have to do every time because bridging here can be expensive, as you can only bridge from Ethereum network. You want to just connect your wallet. So if you're bridging from Ethereum to Scroll, you have to switch your wallet, your active network on your wallet, to Ethereum. So after that, you've switched your network, you can then put in the amount of token on Ethereum network that you want to bridge to Scroll network. Ethereum gas fee can be a lot, so you just want to do it once just to have like a transaction history on the bridge. All right, so aside these, there are other things that you can do on their mainnet. You can use their ecosystem, right? So you don't just want to limit yourself to just their bridge, right? So you can come over to ecosystem, and then you can explore, right? So there are different categories of dApps, so you can just explore some of the dApps in their ecosystem. Alright guys, so another thing that you can do is you can go over to Rhino.fi, and then you can also bridge on Rhino.fi, right? So let's go over to Rhino.fi. I already have the URL copied. Alright, so over here in Rhino.fi, what you just want to do is you want to just bridge from one network to Scroll, or from Scroll to other networks, right? So using Rhino.fi is quite cheaper compared to using Scroll native bridge, because on Rhino.fi you can bridge from other networks to Scroll network, so you're not under compulsion to bridge from Ethereum network, which can be very expensive. Connect your wallet. So once you're connected, it's quite straightforward, right? So you choose the network you want to bridge from. Say you want to bridge from Arbitrum 1, and then you choose the token you want to bridge, USDT, and then you choose scroll as the network you're bridging to, and then yes, the token. You enter the amount of token you want to bridge. So you want to bridge as many times as you can from one network to scroll, or from scroll to other networks, right? So as to build a reasonable volume on scroll network and also on Rhino.fi. All right, guys. So another dApp you can use is the Sync Swap. So let's head over to Sync Swap. Paste. All right. So over here in Sync Swap, you just want to swap as many times as you can on scroll network. All right, so how you're going to do that is come over here and then change the network to scroll, and then you can connect your wallet. Okay, so we are connected, right? It's straightforward, right? So you just choose the token you want to swap, and impute the amount, right? And choose the token you want to swap to. Over here, if you have the funds, you can then swap, right? So it's that easy, right? So guys, doing this is actually like killing two birds with one stone, because Sync Swap is yet to launch our native token. So it's like you're farming Sync Swap and scroll, because you're building volume on Sync Swap and as well as building volume on scroll network, right? So there are other dexes you can perform swaps on, like Owito, Dodo, Karama, Skydrome, right? So these will build swap volume across, several dexes, right? So for those who do not have capital, who do not have funds to do all of these engagements, right, you can as well use their testnets. All right, so let's go over to their testnets. All right, guys, so this is their testnet, right? So you want to just connect your wallet and test any of the following, right? I guess that's pretty much it. Hopefully it is worth it, but it makes more sense to actually use their mainnet if you have the funds or the capital to do that. All right, guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial. I hope that the video was helpful. Please do ensure to drop your questions if you have any, right, in the comment section, right? Of course, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.